Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new reading lesson which is Unit 2 in Theme 2, page 59. As we can see, there are many greenhouses in the picture. You know, we can see many greenhouses in our villages too. The title of our lesson is Living in a Greenhouse. So, what is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a plastic structure that protects plants from cold weather. Also, it enables people to cultivate crops out of season. For example, people can grow their cucumbers or tomatoes during winter inside greenhouses. Because these kinds of vegetables need hot weather, they can't grow up in cold places. So, if we plant them in greenhouses, they will grow up better. Because the greenhouse traps heat, and if you enter it, you can feel the high temperature in it. Here, what is the link between the title and the picture from the first side and the text from the other side? Here we have to make a link between the title and the picture with our lesson. What is the link between them? Why did the author give the title as Greenhouse? And why is he shedding light on greenhouse? So, if people continue doing the same activities or practices they're doing, we will be living in a world just as a greenhouse. It means that if people continue using fossil fuels, burning of coal, continue polluting our environment through burning garbage and factories smoke, all of these activities lead to releasing of toxic gases and toxic emissions. All these chemicals form a layer of gases around the earth. This layer traps heat like a greenhouse. So these toxic gases are called greenhouse gases. Now let's go to page 60 and start reading the first paragraph of our lesson. The garbage fires you read about in the previous lesson are not the only problem caused by our discovery of fire. All over the world, people use coal, oil, and natural gas to heat their homes, run cars, trucks, power plants, and factories. Today, there are over 5 billion people who use energy from these fossil fuels. For example, cars burn millions of gallons of gas a day. The carbon from each burned gallon combines with oxygen in the air to form almost 10 kilos of carbon dioxide. That, along with other chemicals, forms a layer of gases around the earth. This layer traps heat like a greenhouse.